So now let's see how we can work around with calendar event and invitation settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So in order to work around with that, I'm going to go around under calendar settings right here. So once you go around onto the calendar settings right here, we can go around onto events and invitation. And over here, these settings are applied on the account level, as you can see right here, where for non-Microsoft account, the settings are quite limited, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and choose Outlook. And over here, you can see that for events that you create right here, you can add an online meeting to all of the meetings right here. That is, Skype meetings is added in as you create meeting events right here. You can set the default reminder to, let's say, 1 hour before or so forth right here. You can shorten the duration for all of the events right here, just like this. Like you can end the events early right here for less than 1 hour. You can go around, make it 10 minutes, or for 1 hour and longer, you can make it 15 minutes as well. For invitation of other people, you can control how other people access the invitation level. So for example, it says control how invitation responses and notifications are handled, and it says delete invitations that have been updated by the organizer right here. So you can delete the invitations that's updated by the organizer right here, and you can delete notification about forwarded events as well. So you can go around and choose it and click on save right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you get similar options. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, onto the week view and click on over here, then you can see that you can go around onto more option. And here you can see that the default reminder now is 1 hour before, and the Skype meeting is turned off, as you can see right here. And as soon as I add in a meeting, this will be turned on, and that is as per the settings that we set in the calendar. So that is how you can work around with the calendar event and invitation settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.